Alright, so I'm coming in here and I'm gonna be putting these trail lines, getting the rear end on this car. Let me get this frame back on here. Alright, so I got the rear trail lines all painted up. Time to get them back on this rear end. Alright, let me get this jack stand up under here. Let this down and get this situated where I want it now. Alright. Alright, it's almost there. Needs to come up just a little more. Get this other jack stand. All right. look and see. Okay, this needs to come back. There we go. See right there. Right there. All right, guys. Now, let's see if I can get the springs up under here. All right, so I got the other spring on the other side. Now, I'm gonna push this one in here. I'm gonna set it in the hole. And then I just wanna, let's see. I mean, I could compress this a little bit, but I should be able to push this down enough just to get that spring to pop into place. All right, so now I got the springs in there, the upper and lower trail arms. The rear end is dirty. I'm gonna wash all of this down probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little warmer tomorrow. It's Saturday. Supposed to be like 70 degrees. I'm not gonna hit no car shows. I wanna wash this frame down. All right, so the rear end is in place. I'm gonna go on and come on in here now, and I'm gonna get the shocks on here, guys. So, like I said, I'm not gonna tighten none of the rear end down until I get it on the body with the engine and everything on there. I'm gonna just snug everything. I messed up on my 97 SS, 96 SS Impala. So I messed up on my 96 SS Impala, and I tightened them down, and then I put the load of the car on those new bushings, and it twisted the bushings. So, you know, you want to make sure before you tighten all the A-arm bolts down there, you know, any of those bolts, you want to make sure that you got the car sitting level on the ground. So, you know, on the rack or whatever. So